Before the bell, U.S. indices closed higher on Thursday after China announced it would not retaliate against the latest U.S. trade tariffs, which helped lift shares in semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, transportation, and banking sectors. On the economic docket, second quarter GDP growth revised to 2%, jobless claims rising to 215,000, wholesale inventories rising 0.2% month over month in July, and traders looking towards the latest earnings from Campbell Soup, anticipated to report fourth quarter EPS of 42 cents versus 25 cents a year ago. This all as 91% of SP 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Ulta Beauty reported second quarter adjusted EPS of $2.76 versus $2.46 a year ago on sales of $1.67 billion. And Walt Disney in the headlines as Yankees Global Enterprises, with strategic partners Amazon and Sinclair Broadcast Group, announced the acquisition of the remaining 80% interest of Yes Network from Walt Disney at a total enterprise value of $3.47 billion. Turning overseas, Asian markets higher today. The Nikkei rising 1.19%, the Hang Seng up 0.08%, China CSI 300 rising 0.25%, South Korea's Kospi up 1.78%. European markets rallying, and U.S. futures call for a positive start. Now, in terms of expectations today, Campbell Soup fourth quarter EPS seen at 42 cents, while on the economic docket 8:30 in the morning we have the core PCE price index, personal income and personal spending. 9:45 sees Chicago PMI, and 10 o'clock sees the Michigan Consumer Sentiment read. Now, taking a look at the markets, the SP 500 sees further advance, and that's in focus. The relative strength index bullish and calls for further advance. Long positions above 29.34 are favored, with targets at 29.51 and 29.66 in extension. The Nasdaq that sees further advance, while the Dow Jones sees further advance as well.